Cyber threats, like ransomware or spyware, are on the rise with an increased number of connected devices in our homes. Attacks are becoming much larger in scale and reaching more homes before they are stopped. Protecting only your PCs and laptops may not be enough to keep your network safe. Today, more and more IoT devices are being targeted because they lack security. TP-Link Home Shield protects every device connected to your network from cyber threats and updates automatically as soon as new threats are discovered. Home Shield has powerful parental tools that keep your family safe. With Home Shield, you can view regular reports of internet activity, restrict content for a family member, block specific websites, and set online time limits and allowances. You can even pause the internet from your phone when family time is more important than screen time. With quality of service, you can assign priority to the devices you use most, so your connections stay fast whether you're gaming, streaming, or doing anything else. Don't leave the safety of your data, devices, and family up to chance. Home Shield keeps you protected.